Scary scenes Thursday in the northern plains in the first blizzard and ice storm of the season. A blizzard warning was in effect for parts of North Dakota and Minnesota as a winter storm named Alejandra by the Weather Channel dumped more than a foot of snow in some locations. Several other areas were under winter weather warnings or advisories, including northwest Wisconsin, where travel was also treacherous. Wind chills dropped below zero and winds gusted in excess of 30 miles per hour in Bismarck. Drivers were told to pay close attention to conditions, and portions of major highways and at least one interstate across the region were shut down due to zero visibility, blowing snow, and ice.